Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best ways to maximize your rewards. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to redeem your Chase Sapphire points for incredible travel experiences. If you've got points burning a hole in your account, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what are Chase Sapphire points? These are flexible rewards points earned through the Chase Sapphire credit cards, like the Preferred or Reserve, and they can be worth a lot more than you think when redeemed wisely. The key to unlocking their value is in travel redemptions, so let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Chase account online or via the mobile app. Make sure you're all set up, it's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, head over to the Rewards section. You'll see your points balance right there, which is always exciting. Next, explore your options. Chase makes it easy with two main ways to redeem: booking directly through the Chase travel portal or transferring points to airline and hotel partners. For the portal, search for flights, hotels, or car rentals, and apply your points at checkout. Pro tip: points redeemed through the portal often get a 25% bonus with the Sapphire Preferred or up to 50% with the Reserve, boosting their value. If you choose to transfer points, look for partners like United, Southwest, Hyatt, or Marriott. This can sometimes offer even better value, especially for international trips. Just select the partner, check transfer ratios, and transfer your points seamlessly. Before you confirm, double-check the redemption value. Points are typically worth 1.25 cents each when booking through Chase, but transfers might yield more. Avoid rookie mistakes like redeeming for cash back when travel options are available. They're less valuable that way. Finally, once you've redeemed, sit back and enjoy your adventure. Whether it's a beach getaway or a city escape, your points just made it happen. Thanks for watching. If this helped you plan your next trip, hit that like button and subscribe for more reward hacks. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.